Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are going to discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 and lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is that probability. Okay, so in this lesson today we are going to solve the exercise number 1.2. Okay, and in this lecture today we are going to solve the example 10 to 14. Okay, and in previous two lecture we already solved the example 1 to 9. Okay, and now we are going to solve the example number 10. Example number 10 is that find the probability. We have to find the probability of having 5 Monday in the month of February of a leap year. Yes, we have to find the probability of having 5 Monday in the month of February of a leap year. Yes, how many days or how many days in the February of a leap year? 29. Yes, so total numbers of day in February of a leap year is equal to 29. Yes, 29 days. Okay, and how many complete week in a February? 4 week. Yes, so total in February of leap year has a 4 week. 4 week means 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28 days. Yes, and 1 extra days and 1 extra day. Okay, because in the February total 29 day. Yes, and in a February total 4 week has a 28 days. Yes, so remaining there are 1 day will be remaining, 29 minus 28. So in a February of leap year there is a 28 day and 1 extra day. And in every week every day will comes once time. Yes, in every week every day comes one time. Okay, so how many total number of Monday over here in a 4 week? 4 Monday. Yes, so that there is total 4 Monday. Yes, and in total 4 Monday in 4 week, and we have a 1 extra additional day. One extra additional day. Okay, so we have to write the sample space for this 1 extra day. Okay, so the sample space for 1 extra day. यस, 4 वीक में 4 मंडे तो आने वाले हैं, लेकिन हमको कितने मंडे चाहिए? 5 मंडे चाहिए. ओके, तो एक एक्स्ट्रा डे है तो उसमें कौन कौन से डे आ सकते हैं, उसके लिए हमको सैंपल स्पेस लिखना है. तो उसमें एक तो मंडे आ सकता है. यस, ओके, मंडे, देन ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, देन थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड देन Sunday. Okay, Saturday and then Sunday. Okay, 1 extra day है तो इसमें ये पॉसिबिलिटी आती है. सो दिस इज आवर सैंपल स्पेस मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे. ओके, बट आवर इवेंट our event A is equal to a 5 Monday in the month of February of a leap year. Yes, 5 Mondays in the month of February in a leap year. Okay. So there is how many possible outcome? Possible outcome will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So our possible outcome, and possible outcome is denoted by n. So n is equal to 7. Yes. Now we have to find our favorable outcome, number of the favorable outcome, and our event A is the 5 Monday in the month of the February in a leap year. Okay. 5 Monday कब आएगा? 4 Monday तो आ गया, तो एक Monday और आना चाहिए. एक Monday और कब आएगा? जब ये 7 डे में से Monday आएगा तब. ओके, तो हमारे इवेंट है उसका एलिमेंट कौन सा होगा? मंडे होगा. यस. ओके, सो देर इज हाउ मेनी टोटल फेवरेबल आउटकम? टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम m is equal to 1. Yes, now we have to find the probability. So the probability of event A is equal to m by n. m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 7. Yes, so this is the probability for this event. Okay. Now we are come on to the example number 11. Example number 11 is that find the probability. Find the probability having 53 Friday. Having 53 Friday in a year which is not a leap year. Which is not leap year. So this year is a normal year. Okay. The year which is not a leap year is a normal year. Yes, is a normal year. And how many days in the normal year? And total number of days in the normal year is equal to, how it will be, is equal to 364 days. Yes, in normal year there is total 364 days. Okay, but we have to, our event is that having 53 Fridays in a year which is not a leap year. Okay, and how many completed week in a 1 year? 1 year 52. Yes, 52 multiplied by 7 is equal to 364. Okay, sorry, in a normal year total number of day in the normal year is 365. Yes, 365 day. Okay. Yes, and in a normal year total completed week is 52. Yes, total completed week in 1 year is 52, and one additional day and one extra days. Okay, why? Because in a normal year total completed week is 52. Yes, so 52 multiplied by 7 is equal to 364. But in a normal year there is total 365 days. Yes, so one additional day are available. Okay, so in a normal year total week is 52. Yes, and one extra days. Okay, now in each week every day will come. Okay, in each week every day come in once. Okay, so there is total how many Friday in 52 weeks? 52 Friday. So there is total 52 Friday and one additional day, one extra day. ओके, 52 फ्राइडे तो है ही हमारे पास, क्योंकि हमारे पास कंप्लीट वीक कितने हैं? 52 है। ओके, और एक एक्स्ट्रा डे है। एक्स्ट्रा डे कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? मंडे, फ्राइडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे। ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट द सैंपल स्पेस फॉर दिस एक्स्ट्रा डे। यस, सो दैट सैंपल स्पेस for one extra day is equal to u is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Clear? So there how many total number of possible outcome? Total number of the possible outcome n is equal to 7. Okay, but our event A is that event A is equal to 53 Friday in a year which is not a leap year. Yes, 53 Friday in a year which is not a लीप ईयर। ओके, नॉर्मल ईयर है उसमें कितने फ्राइडे होना चाहिए? 53 फ्राइडे होना चाहिए। उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी कितनी है? 52 तो फ्राइडे है ही। ओके, तो 53 फ्राइडे कब होगा? जब ये हमारे सैंपल स्पेस है उसमें से मंडे आएगा तब। ओके, तो सैंपल स्पेस ऑफ द इवेंट ए इज इक्वल टू मंडे। यस, same as previous question. Okay, so there is how many total favorable outcome? Total number of the favorable outcome m is equal to 1. Yes, so that probability of event A, P of A is equal to m by n. M is equal to 1 and n is equal to 7. Yes, clear? Write down it. Done it? Okay, now we are going to solve the example number 12. Example number 12 is that find the probability of having 5 Tuesday. Okay, same as the previous question. Okay, find the probability of having 5 Tuesday in the month of August of any year. Okay, so how many days in the August? Total number of the day in the August is that 31. Total number of days in the month of August is 31 days. Yes. Okay, now our event is the 5 Tuesday in the month of the August of any year. Okay, and we know that total complete week in 1 month is equal to 4. Yes, total completed week in a month is 4. Yes, so that 4 completed week है तो कितने डे हो गए? 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4. 7 मल्टीप्लाई 4 बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 28 डेज. यस, ओके, 7 वीक में 28 डेज है एंड इन द मंथ ऑफ द ऑगस्ट देयर इज अ टोटल 31 डे. यस, एंड 7 वीक में है वो 28 डे है तो कितने एडिशनल एक्स्ट्रा डे हुए? 3 एक्स्ट्रा डे एंड 3 एडिशनल डे एंड 3 एक्स्ट्रा डेज. ओके, एंड वी नो दैट every week each day come in once. Okay, come in once. Okay, so there is a total 4 week, so there is a total 4 Tuesday. Okay, so there is total 4 Tuesday and 3 additional day, 3 extra day. Clear? Okay, so we have to write the sample space for these 3 extra days. Yes, so sample space for 3 extra days Okay, u is equal to, we have to select 3 extra days. Okay, so 3 extra day will be Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, next one is that Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Yes, then Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Thursday, Friday and Saturday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yes, then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, then Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Yes, this is the our sample space of the sample point of the sample space. And then how many element it will be? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so the n is equal to 7. Yes. Okay, now we have to find the number of the favorable outcome. Yes, and our event A is that event A is equal to 5 Tuesday in a month of August of any year. Okay, 5 Tuesday in the month of August in any year. ओके, हमारे जो 4 वीक है उसमें 4 ट्यूसडे तो आ गए हैं. यस, एक ट्यूसडे बाकी है. एक ट्यूसडे कब आएगा? जब यहाँ पे हमारे सैंपल स्पेस में से ट्यूसडे आएगा, तब 3 एडिशनल एक्स्ट्रा डे है उसमें से ट्यूसडे आएगा, तो टोटल कितने ट्यूसडे हो जाएंगे? 5 ट्यूसडे हो जाएगा. ओके, तो और सैंपल स्पेस में से कौन कौन से सैंपल पॉइंट आएंगे इवेंट ए में? ट्यूसडे वाले. ओके, तो ट्यूसडे, हियर इज द ट्यूसडे. Yes, we have to select a Tuesday. Then there is also Tuesday, and last one, yes, there is also Tuesday. So our sample point of the event A is the Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Yes. Okay. Then Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and third one is that Sunday, Monday, रोज खाओ अंडे, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so how many favorable outcome? Favorable outcome m is equal to 1, 2 and 3. M is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Yes, so the probability of this event A, P of A, is equal to m by n, and m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 7. Yes, so this is the probability for this event. Okay, now we are come on to the question, example number 13. Example number 13 is four couple husband and wife attend a party. Okay, 2 person are randomly selected. We have to select a 2 person out of this 4 couple. Okay, from this 8 person, there is a total 8 person. Yes, 4 couple means 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to total 8 person. Find the probability of that selected person are. Yes, we have to find the probability for these 3 event. Okay, first of all, we have to find the number of the possible outcome. So total number of possible outcome. Okay, how we can get it? We have to select a 2 person out of 8 person. Yes, so the total number of the possible outcome is equal to we have to select 2 person out of 8 person. Yes, so 8C2 means 8 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1. Yes, so there is 4. 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 28. Yes, so this is the our number of the possible outcome, and it is denoted by n. Yes, so n is equal to 28. Done it? Okay, now event A is that selected person are husband and wife. Yes, selected person are husband and wife. हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ कब हो गया, जब यहाँ पे 4 कपल है, उस 4 कपल में से हम एक कपल सिलेक्ट करेंगे तभी हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ आएंगे। क्लियर? 4 कपल में से कोई हमको एक ही कपल सिलेक्ट करना है। ओके, सो इवेंट ए इज दैट सिलेक्टेड पर्सन are husband and wife. Okay, and it is equal to 4C. We have to select one couple out of 4 couple. Clear? It is too simple. Yes, then 4C1 is equal to 4 by 1 is equal to 4. Yes, so total number of the favorable outcome M is equal to 4. Yes, so we have to find the probability for this event A. P of A is equal to M by N. M is equal to 4 and N is equal to 28. Yes, so it is 1 by 7. Clear? Okay, now second event is that 1 man and 1 woman. ओके, 1 मैन एंड 1 वुमन आना चाहिए। फर्स्ट इवेंट में क्या है कि दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे एक मैन और एक वुमन होना चाहिए। ओके, कोई भी कपल में से मैन होना चाहिए और कोई भी कपल में से हम वुमन ले सकते हैं। ये फिक्स नहीं है कि एक ही कपल में से लेना है, कोई भी कपल में से हम मैन ले सकते हैं और कोई भी कपल में से हम वुमन ले सकते हैं। ये फिक्स नहीं है कि एक ही कपल में से लेना है, एक ही कपल में से लेना है वो तो इवेंट ए है। इवेंट बी में क्या है कि एक मैन होना चाहिए और एक वुमन होना चाहिए। ओके, सो इवेंट बी इज दैट सिलेक्टेड पर्सन आर 1 मैन एंड 1 वुमन। ओके, यू कैन राइट इट। ओके, सो इवेंट बी is that selected person are 1 woman and 1 man and 1 woman. Okay, so there is how many men? 4 men and 4 women. 4 men and 4 women. Yes, so we have to select 1 man out of 4 men and we have to select 1 man out of 4 women. Yes, so the number of the favorable outcome for this event 2 is that we have to select 1 man out of 4 men. Yes, there is total 4 men and 4 women. Yes, so we have to select 1 man out of 4 men. Okay, and also we have to select 1 woman out of 4 men. Yes, so this is the our number of the favorable outcome. 4C1 is equal to 4 and 4C1 is equal to 4. Yes, so it will be 60. Yes, and it is denoted by M. M is equal to 60. Yes, so the our possible probability of event B, P of B is equal to M by N. M by N. M is equal to 16 and N is equal to 28. Yes, okay. Then 4 by 7. It is the 4 by 7. Clear? Okay, now event 3 is that 1 man and 1 woman who are not husband and wife. एक मेल सिलेक्ट करना है और एक वुमन सिलेक्ट करना है, लेकिन कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है कि दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ नहीं है। यहाँ पे भी हमने एक मैन एंड ए वुमेन सिलेक्ट किया है, तो यहाँ पे जो हमने एक मैन और वुमन सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है वो दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ हो सकते हैं, हो भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी हो सकते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पे तो एक मैन और एक वुमन ऐसे सिलेक्ट करनी है कि वो दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ नहीं होने चाहिए। ओके, क्लियर? सो दिस इवेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय सी. इवेंट सी are selected persons. Event C is that selected person are 1 man and 1 woman who are not husband and wife. Okay, so we have to select 1 man. First we select 1 man out of 4 men. Yes, यहाँ पे टोटल कितने मैन है? 4 है। उसमें से पहले हम मैन को सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं। ओके, वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट 1 मैन आउट ऑफ 4 men. Yes, now we have to select 1 woman. But out of how many women? 4 women? No, out of 3 women. Yes, why? Here यहाँ पे हमने एक मैन को सिलेक्ट कर दिया है। यस, यहाँ पे हमको वुमन को सिलेक्ट करना है, लेकिन कैसी वुमन को सिलेक्ट करना है कि ये जो वुमन है वो मैन की वाइफ नहीं होनी चाहिए। क्लियर? ओके, तो हमने एक मैन तो सिलेक्ट कर दिया है। ओके, तो अब हमको एक वुमन सिलेक्ट करनी है, लेकिन किस में से सिलेक्ट करेंगे? फोर वुमन में से सिलेक्ट करेंगे? नहीं, 3 वुमन में से सिलेक्ट करेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने जो मैन लिया है उसकी वाइफ को हमको कंसीडर नहीं करनी है। यस, इफ वी कंसीडर द वाइफ ऑफ दिस हस्बैंड, देन द कपल इज husband and wife. Yes, then the man and woman are the husband and wife, but our event is that man and woman who are not husband and wife. Yes, तो हमने जो वुमन पसंद की है वो कैसी होनी चाहिए? इस हस्बैंड की वाइफ नहीं होनी चाहिए। यस, इस हस्बैंड की वाइफ नहीं होनी चाहिए। यस, तो एक वुमन है, वो तो एक वुमन है, उसको इंक्लूडेड नहीं करेंगे तो रिमेनिंग वुमन विल बी 3। यस, सो वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट 1 वुमन आउट ऑफ 3 वुमन। Clear? Okay, now it is equal to 4c1 is equal to 4 and 3c1 is equal to 3, so it is equal to 12. Yes, so the number of the favorable outcome M is the 12. Okay, now we have to find the probability of event C. P of C is equal to M by N. M by N. M is equal to 12 and N is equal to 28. Okay, so 6 we have to multiply by 6, no, 4 means 4 multiply by 3 and 7 multiply by 4. Okay, so it is 3 by 7. Clear? Write down it. Okay, now we are going to solve the example number 14. Example number 14 is 8 workers are employed in a factory and 3 of them are excellent in efficiency. There is total 8 workers. Out of the 8 workers, 3 of them are excellent in efficiency. Okay, whereas the rest of them are moderate in efficiency. Yes, so first of all we write the number of the workers which is excellent in efficiency and which is moderate in efficiency. Okay, number of workers are excellent in efficiency is equal to 3. Yes, 3 workers are excellent in efficiency. Yes, okay, excellent in efficiency. Now number of workers which are moderate in efficiency, number of workers are moderate in efficiency. Okay, and how it will be? There is total 8 workers, उसमें से 3 है उसकी एफिशिएंसी है वो एक्सेलेंट है, तो बाकी कितने रहे? 8 minus 3, तो 5 वर्कर्स है उसकी एफिशिएंसी कितनी होगी? मॉडरेट होगी। ओके, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ द पॉसिबल आउटकम. How we can find? We have to select 2 workers are randomly, 2 workers are randomly selected from these 8 workers and find the probability of these 3 events. Okay, we have to select 2 workers out of 8 workers. Yes, so total possible outcome and it is denoted by N is equal to, we have to select 2 workers out of 8 workers, so it is equal to 8C2. Yes, 8C2 means 8 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1 and it is equal to 4 is cancelled, so 28. Yes, okay, so number of the total possible outcome N is equal to 28. Okay, event A is that both the workers having excellent efficiency. हमको 2 वर्कर सिलेक्ट करने हैं, उसमें से कैसे सिलेक्ट करने हैं कि जिसकी एफिशिएंसी एक्सेलेंट हो. ओके, सो इवेंट ए, वी हैव टू राइट द इवेंट ए इज दैट बोथ द वर्कर्स हैव एक्सेलेंट एफिशिएंसी. ओके, सो इवेंट ए, आउटकम ऑफ द इवेंट ए, सॉरी, फेवरेबल आउटकम, फेवरेबल outcomes of the event A. Okay, chalo. Okay, we have to select a 2 worker have excellent efficiency and these 2 workers are selected from these 3 workers because these 3 workers has a excellent efficiency. Yes, so we have to select 2 workers, 2 efficient worker out of 3 efficient worker. Okay, now we have to select any worker? No. Why? Because we have to total select 2 workers, and we already selected. Yes, from the excellent excellent efficient worker. Okay, and now we have to select 0 workers out of moderate efficiency, out of worker which has efficiency is moderate. Okay, so we have to select 0% out of these 5. Okay, so 3C2 means 3 multiplied by 2 upon 2 multiplied by 1. Yes, and 5C0 is equal to 1, 2 cancel, so it will be 3. So here number of the favorable outcome M is equal to 3. Yes, so that the probability of event A, probability of the event A, P of A is equal to M by N. M is equal to 3 and N is equal to 28. Okay, now event B is that both the worker having moderate efficiency. We have to select 2 workers which has a efficiency is moderate. Okay, so event B is the both the workers has moderate efficiency and outcomes, favorable outcomes of event B is equal to, okay, we have to select 2 workers, both workers means 2 workers of have a moderate efficiency. Yes, so we have to select 2 workers which has a moderate efficiency, and then workers which has a moderate efficiency is equal to 5. Yes, so we have to select 2 workers out of these 5 workers. Yes, so 5C2. Yes, now we have to select any workers? No. Why? Because we have to select only 2 workers. Yes, so that 0 workers are selected from these 3 workers which is excellent in efficiency. Okay, so we have to select 0% out of remaining 3 workers. Okay, 5C2 means 5 multiplied by 4 upon 2 multiplied by 1, and 3C0 is equal to 1, 2 cancel, so it is equal to 10. Yes, so M is equal to 10. Yes, so that the number of so that probability of event B is equal to P of B is equal to M by N. Okay, M is equal to 10 and N is equal to 28. Yes, so it will be 5 by 14. Clear? Okay, now third event is that one worker is excellent and one worker is moderate in efficiency. Yes, so our event C is that one worker is excellent and one worker is moderate in efficiency. Okay, so favorable outcomes of event C. Okay, we have to select one worker is excellent. Okay, so we have to select one worker out of these 3 worker. Yes, because these 3 worker has a excellent efficiency. Yes, so we have to select one worker out of 3 workers. Okay, now we have to select any workers? Yes, we have to select also one workers. Yes, because we have to select total 2 workers and one workers is already selected in these 3 workers. Okay, now we have to select another one workers from these 5 workers which has a moderate in efficiency. Okay, so we have to select one worker out of this 5 worker. Okay, 3C1 is equal to 3 and 5C1 is equal to 5, so it is equal to 15. Okay, so the number of the favorable outcome for this event C is equal to 15. Yes, so probability of event C, P of C is equal to M by N. M is equal to 15 and N is equal to 28. Okay, so this is the probability for event C. Write down it. Okay, done it. So keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.